Hello, my friends. Today, we will talk about such an animal as the coyote. The coyote is one of the most mysterious and adaptive predators of North America. The coyote, a representative of the canine family, was originally an inhabitant of the western plains of North America. However, over the past 150 years, its habitat has expanded significantly. It penetrated into the eastern forests, Canadian tundra, and even the streets of large cities. This is explained primarily by the incredible plasticity of the coyote's behavior and physiology. It can survive in almost any conditions, and this distinguishes it from many other large mammals. The coyote is medium-sized. The weight of an adult male ranges from 9 to 18 kilograms. Females are slightly lighter. Outwardly, it resembles a smaller wolf with a narrower muzzle, large ears, and a thick, fluffy tail. Its fur is a mixture of gray, brown, and reddish shades, providing excellent camouflage in various landscapes, from snowy plains to deserts and forests. One of the key characteristics of the coyote is its diet. It is a classic opportunist. It feeds on what is available. In the wild, this can be small mammals, birds, carrion, insects, fruits, and berries. Near cities, garbage, food waste, domestic animals. Occasionally, the coyote can hunt larger prey, for example, a deer, especially if it acts in a pair or a small group. However, in general, it prefers easy and quick food that can be grabbed or stolen without much risk. The coyote's behavior combines the features of a loner and a social animal. It can live and hunt alone, but often forms family groups, especially during the breeding season. These miniature packs consist of a pair of parents and their grown offspring. Interestingly, coyotes are able to regulate their numbers in response to external pressure. When the population decreases due to hunting or epidemics, the remaining individuals have an increased birth rate. This makes control over them especially difficult. Coyotes have a well-developed vocal repertoire. Their howl, a characteristic sound of North American nights, serves several functions at once. It helps family members stick together, defends territory, and confuses competitors. It often seems like a pack is howling, although in fact, it may be one or two coyotes making several types of sounds with a rapid change in tone. This ability to deceive the ear is part of their evolutionary success. The flexibility and resourcefulness of the coyote is also evident in its adaptation to the urban environment. Today, they live in Chicago, Los Angeles, New York, and many other cities. They can cross roads, avoid people, and navigate the urban landscape. A number of studies have found that urban coyotes exhibit more nocturnal behavior and eat differently than their rural counterparts. Many of them live to a ripe old age, which is unusual for wild animals in urban conditions. The relationship between coyotes and humans remains tense. In some regions, it is considered a pest. It can attack livestock, especially lambs, kids, and chickens. Local farmers and hunters actively shoot it, use traps, and even organize competitions to destroy it. But, as already noted, the coyote can adapt to pressure. Population control rarely gives long-term results. Moreover, in recent years, environmental organizations have called for the search for non-violent methods of coexistence, including fencing, scaring devices, night fences for livestock, and public awareness. Some environmentalists point out that the coyote plays an important role in the ecosystem. It helps control populations of rodents, rabbits, and even some invasive species. Where wolves have disappeared, coyotes have become a kind of substitute, albeit a less powerful one. Their return to some regions has been perceived as a positive sign of the restoration of the natural balance. In recent years, interest in coyotes has increased. Scientists track their movements with GPS collars, study their genomes, and analyze their behavior. City dwellers share photos, record encounters, and participate in popular science projects. Educational programs, books, and films appear that tell about this amazing animal, not an enemy, but a neighbor. The coyote is a lesson in adaptation, survival, and the unpredictability of nature. In a world where many species are disappearing under the onslaught of urbanization, he, on the contrary, finds new opportunities. He reminds us that wildlife does not always leave. Sometimes it learns to live nearby. And this is the special beauty of his story. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it.